Okay, so you know how everyone's dropping like $1,000 on laptops they barely use? Yeah, I was that person until I found this thing. Here's the deal with the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. It's literally a tablet and a laptop in one. Like the keyboard just snaps off. So when you're binging Netflix, it's a tablet. When you gotta actually work or answer emails without losing your mind, boom, it's a full laptop. And I'm not talking about some clunky wannabe either. This thing's actually smooth. The screen's this gorgeous touchscreen that just feels premium, you know? But here's what got me. The price isn't gonna make you wanna cry. We're talking way less than what you'd drop on those big name brands that do literally the same stuff for browsing, streaming, and getting work done. Plus it runs ChromeOS, so it boots up in like 8 seconds. 8 seconds. I timed it because I didn't believe it either. And can we talk about how light this is? I throw it in my bag and forget it's even there. No more shoulder pain from lugging around a brick. Real talk though, if you've been putting off getting something portable because you think you can't afford it, or you don't want to compromise on quality, check the link if you like. Amazon's literally calling this their choice for a reason. Don't sleep on this. Tag someone who's still overpaying for tech they don't need. What's your current setup costing you anyway? Drop it in the comments, I'm curious.